Hello dear students, in this module you will learn how to draw line chart and bar chart using Matplotlib library in data visualization. Basically data visualization is a graphical representation of data. So let's understand these concepts, how to draw these charts. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data in order to interactively and efficiently deliver visuals to clients. Data is so immense these days, so we don't want to waste time over unnecessary data. Data should be presented in compact and easy way in the form of charts, graphs and maps, etc. Graphical representation of information and data using visual elements like charts, graphs and maps, etc. It helps decision makers to drive business decisions. There are 5 key plots that you need to know well for basic data visualization. These are line plot, bar chart, histogram, box and scatter plot. Out of which box and whisker plot and scatter plot has been reduced by CBSE in our syllabus. And we have to learn only these 3 charts: line chart, bar chart and histogram. There are multiple tools for performing visualization in data science in Python. We can use exclusive libraries for visualization, commonly known as Matplotlib library and Seaborn. Matplotlib is a high-quality plotting library. Python-based plotting library offers Matplotlib with a complete 2-dimension support along with limited 3-dimension graphic support. It is useful in producing publication quality figures in interactive environment across platforms. PyPlot is Matplotlib library's interface, or you can say PyPlot is a module of Matplotlib which contains several functions. It is a collection of functions which allow users to construct 2D plots easily and interactively. For working on charts, you have to install Matplotlib. For this, you have to run pip install matplotlib command on command prompt. And if Matplotlib is already installed in your system, then you can check your version by running the command pip show matplotlib. So you can check the version of Matplotlib library also. Let's consider with an example. Here I draw a simple line chart. As you can see here in the diagram, a simple straight line is drawn here. For this, I import Matplotlib library using pyplot module and give an alias name as plt, and x and y are 2 variables which contains 2 integer type of list, x for x-axis and y for y-axis. Using plot function, you can draw line chart, and using plot function I passed 2 arguments x and y. And for title, if you want to give the title of your plot, then you can use title function, and for y labeling you can use y label function, and for x label you can give x label function. Using plt.show function, it will display your graph or chart. So as you can see here, 5 or 12, the value of x is 5 and y is 12, 8 and 16 and 10 and 6. Again 8 and 16, as you can see here, the value on x is 8 and the value on y is 16, so it mark a point here, and the value of x is 10 and y is 6, so it mark the point here, and it connects all these points with a single straight line. So in the same manner we can draw a simple line chart. If you want to change the line style, line width and line color, you can use here 2 attributes. For line width, you can use line width attribute. R is used for color of the line, R for red color, as you can see in the diagram, and the width of this line is 4 and line style is dotted. So it will draw a straight line with dotted symbol. You can change the line width, increase or decrease, and change the color also. There are lots of color you can apply on this line chart, and the color abbreviation is defined here as B for blue, C for cyan, green, black, magenta, red, white and yellow, and so on. If you skip the color information in plot, Python will plot multiple lines in the same plot with different colors, decided internally by matplotlib. We can also give complete names for colors like yellow, red, etc. If you don't want to use color abbreviation, then you can use complete color name. The line styles can also be changed as per the needs of the user as given below. There are 4 styles basically: solid line, dash dot line, etc. Marker type, size and color. As you can see here, the dots, these are called markers. And I use here a statement using plot function. I pass 2 arguments x and y and d for diamond, so it will display marker as diamond symbol, and the size of this marker is 5 and the edge color is green. You can see the diamond marker with edge color green. Next is bar chart. Another very popular chart on matplotlib is the bar chart. For the bar chart, we will use the bar function, where we define the position of the bars on the x-axis and their height on the y-axis. Additionally, we can also configure another characteristics for the chart, like width of the bars, colors, among others. For this, you can see here x and y, and I used here a function plt.bar x and y, and I used here a attribute width equal to 0.1. By default it is 1. You can reduce the size of this width. So as you can see here, the value of x is 5 and on y it's 12. Using title, you can give the title of your plot, and x label and y label are used for labeling your x-axis and y-axis. And using plt.show, you can draw your chart. So here you can see the value of x is 5 and of y is 12. Next value is 8 and on y is 16. Next value on x is 10 and y is 6. So in the same manner, you can draw your bar chart. Here, if you want to change the colors of the bars, so you can simply use color attribute by giving the color abbreviations as R, K, Y. R for red, K for black and Y for yellow. So for the first value, it will display the bar with red color, black color and Y color. So you can change the bar colors. To plot a bar chart horizontally, you have to simply use bar H. Bar H, it represents H for horizontal. So it will display your bar chart in a horizontal manner. If you want to draw multiple bar chart, it is not possible, but we can draw it in a different manner. For this, we have to use NumPy. Here I used 3 variables A, B and C. Using title function, we can define the title of the graph, and x label and y label functions are used for x-axis and y-axis labeling. Using plt.bar, I passed here 2 parameters. First is x and second is a, and the width is 0.30 with red color. So the first chart will be displayed here in red color, second bar and third bar, because there are 3 values in a and x. For second bar, I increase the width, or we can say I just double the width with 0.30 with the same value, and the second bar is displayed with cyan color. So it just double the width of x. So the value of x is 0 and the b is 12. and the value of x is 1 and the value is 16 and the value is 2 and b4 6. And for third bar I just triplets the value with 0.60. So in the same manner you can draw multiple bar chart. Thank you.